Alright, first proper ride of the season. Most alpine passes in Switzerland are still closed, but I found one that might not be. And we are back! It feels good to be back on the bike. It's been a long winter. So the plan is to ride to the Simplon Pass, which apparently it's open, and to check out how much snow is still there. The bike feels good, very smooth, no strange noises, which is always a good sign. And I am getting used to a smooth throttle, looking where the indicators are, but it's a great feeling. Exciting content, riding on a Swiss motorway. We are at 465 meters altitude, but I start to feel the cold wind, so may have to stop to put another layer on. Some roadworks as usual. This would not be Switzerland with any of them. So we have left the motorway, and now I am running low on fuel. Let's find a station in the next town. So here, Simplon, on the right, here we go. So we have now started the ascent of the Simplon Pass. No signs of any snow yet. We have done this pass about 2 years ago when we started our trip to Morocco, and we had to take the pass because trains were cancelled, and we have to ride it during a snowstorm. I leave you here the link to that video. It was quite epic and cold. Now we are climbing. We are at 1200 meters altitude now. The Simplon Pass is connecting Switzerland with northern Italy. This route has been used for trading since about 800-900 years ago, but it was during Napoleon's time in the 1800s that a proper road has been built. The pass, it's about 60 kilometers long, and it ends up at an altitude of slightly above 2000 meters above sea level. The temperature is really dropping now. It's about 5 degrees and we feel it. So it's not summer yet. There is no much traffic, and there are no motorbikes. Wow, we are getting to the top of the pass, and really there is some snow around. Well, we can say Winter is still here. There's quite some snow here, so we'll have to wait for the other passes to open. This is a hotel called the Simplon Hospice on top of the pass. So this was quite a very nice ride, a bit chilly. The bike has been doing well, so it's worth keeping it well serviced. And here we go. Beautiful road, very good conditions. This is quite an easy pass, it's not technical at all. Wow, quite a nice bridge, same as we did earlier this morning. Alright, we ended the descent of the Simplon Pass, and with this we will wrap up the first ride of this season that I feel will be a good one. So what's next? Waiting for the opening of the big passes, Grimsel, Susten, Furka and so on, and start some more serious rides. So I will be ending the video now. If you look forward for more rides, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the little bell so you get the notification when something new is online. And I see you in the next video.